everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Sayani and I am so sorry for being MIA lately, but I am back now. And as you read the title already, this video is all about a Q&A about myself. So I posted a post. I asked you guys on my community tab as well as on my Instagram story to ask me questions about anything, and you guys asked so many questions that I had to split this video into two parts, which is one part is all about myself, a Q&A about myself, which is this one, and the next one will be a Q&A about YouTube. So these are the questions. I have written down all the questions, so I'm gonna read one by one and I will try to answer them in interesting way, and I hope मैं आपको बोर नहीं करूँगी. So with that hope, let's get into the video. But before we start, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And this is my Instagram handle. Please do follow me on my Instagram as well. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first question is your age, height, class and school. Okay, so my age is, I am 22 years old and I just turned 22 last month. Height, I exactly don't know, but I think I am 5 feet 7 or 5 feet 8 or somewhere in between. Yeah, I am tall. Class, I'm graduated now. Okay, so I graduated this year. This was my final year. The next question is, are you in college? What are you studying? So no, I'm not in college anymore. I'm graduated, as I said earlier. I was studying BCA in Techno India University, which is in Kolkata. Okay, so where do you live? So I live in West Bengal, Kolkata. From where do you get such creative ideas for Instagram? So I think I have mentioned it earlier in my videos that I get inspired from Pinterest. So I search on Pinterest aesthetic picture ideas and all, and I get the ideas from Pinterest. I do get ideas from Instagram as well, but not that much. So I get inspired from the Pinterest pictures and then I recreate it in my own way, but not every picture. What would be your reaction when you will hit 100k? Okay, you can see already that on my face I will be like crying, jumping. What else? When I hit 500 subscribers, and that was a huge achievement for me, I was like crying and telling my friends that see, people are subscribing to my channel for my content, for my videos. My subscribers are real, like they are not my relatives and friends. At least they are unknown people who are actually supporting me, who are interested to watch my future videos. So that is huge, and I still can't imagine I have 17k subscribers. I don't know, do I deserve this? I don't know. So I don't know, man. I really don't know what I will be doing when I hit 100k subscribers. That's really huge. Are you a phone addict? Yes, I am just stuck with my phone always, 24/7. Which phone do you use to take pictures? Okay, I have only one phone, which is Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I use that phone to click my pictures, to shoot this video. Even I am using my phone to shoot my video. I edit my pictures and my videos with my phone too. This is my phone and I do everything with my phone. Your favorite online shopping apps? It has to be Shein, but Shein is gone, so I would say H&M. I'm currently obsessed with H&M, like obsessed. And what else? Myntra and Ajio. Yeah, they are not my favorite, but I do shop from them a lot. Who is the most important person in your life except your parents? I know what do you want to hear from me, but I won't say that. So yeah, if you're watching this video, I know, okay? I can read minds. Just kidding. So I would say my friends, my pets. I have 3 cats. They are not person, but they are the love of my life. Do you love makeup, and are you following any skincare routine? has a lot of dark spots, it doesn't mean that I don't love myself. I do love myself, but I really need to follow a skincare routine because my skin looks so unhealthy. So yeah, what do you do for skincare? As I said, I do nothing. I wash my face 3 to 4 times a day with plain water. I don't even use face wash. Can you imagine? I'm running out of face wash. I don't have any face wash, so I do have a scrub. I use that scrub once in 2 weeks. So I am so lazy when it comes to my skincare or my hair care. What was your experience when you started YouTube channel first video? Okay, I think you are asking for what was my experience when I uploaded my first video. Okay, so I was so nervous. I had never talked in front of a camera before that. So that was so hard for me. I was so nervous. I was shaking like this and my hands were freezing. I think I took 2 hours to shoot the intro and the outro also. So I took 2 hours to do that. So that was huge. But I was so motivated. Like, it was on my mind that I have to start the YouTube channel this year only, because I was delaying it from 2017, because from then I really wanted to start my YouTube channel, but I was delaying it for my shyness and my nervousness. So I was like, you know what, let's just do it, because abhi nahi to kabhi nahi. And I am so glad that I did it, because तब मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं की होती ना तो आज मैं यहाँ पे नहीं होती. So you have to start somewhere someday. So just do it, okay? Don't think about it. Favorite color? I love pink. Okay, so pink is my all-time favorite. I am obsessed with that color, and I'm currently obsessed with yellow. I like black too. What else? I like reds. Nothing else. Favorite lipstick color? So I like browns, pinkish browns, reds. I don't like wearing pinks on my lips. I know I am so weird because pink is my all-time favorite. I just said that, and now I'm telling you guys that I don't like wearing pinks on my lips. Yeah, I am weird. Please don't judge me. Do you like K-pop? Lots of love from Nagpur, Avani. I hope, Avani, I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I am so sorry. I haven't listened any of their songs, so I can't really tell. Your crush? If you're asking for a celebrity crush, I don't even have a celebrity crush. I did have a lot of celebrity crush when I was in school, but currently I don't have anyone. And if you're asking for the real life crush, I can't tell his name. So, is your selfies edited by you or any photographer? No, I do edit my pictures by my own. How you have learned the editing process? So I learned it from YouTube, and as you know, I use Lightroom to edit my pictures. The very first time I installed Lightroom, I opened it and I got so confused because it's so tough. Like, I thought that was tough, but that wasn't, because I was a new and I had no idea back then, so it was so difficult for me. So I uninstalled that app. But later, when I started using that app, and when I started watching videos on Lightroom tutorials, I learned the basic things from YouTube, like which features does what. So I learned that, and I did practice that, and then I started doing experiments with my pictures. With whom you wanna collab with? I don't know. I would love to collab with Mridul Sharma. She is my favorite. I am so shy and I'm so introvert. I don't think I will do any collab ever. It makes me nervous. It makes me so nervous. Even if I think about doing a collab, I get so nervous, and I just think like, let's just keep that idea for future. Okay, favorite quote. Bloom with grace. I love that quote. The quote is my inspiration. You can see that on my bio too, on my Instagram bio. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do follow me on my Instagram. Your hair is so beautiful. What do you like on your hair? I mean shampoo and oil. Share a video of your hair care routine. As I said, I don't have any skincare or hair care routine. My hair might look healthy, but I'm having a lot of hair fall right now. Like you can't even imagine how much hair fall I'm having. Maybe it's because of the weather. I just use shampoo and conditioner. I don't even use oil on my hair because I get too many pimples over here. So I don't like putting oil on my head. So yeah. Are you a Bengali? If yes, then say a Bengali tongue twister. Yes, I'm a Bengali and tongue twister. Okay, so here it goes. Paki paka pepe khai, 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 paki paka pepe khai. I think I did it. So please do let me know I passed or failed. What do you enjoy more, watching stories or posting stories, and why? So I love watching stories more than posting stories because I always feel like that I am bothering people by posting my stories. Like my life is not that interesting, so I don't even post stories that much. If you follow me on my Instagram, you will know I don't post stories that much. What keeps you motivating yourself? You guys, because I always see the amount of support and love I am getting from you guys. You guys don't even know me personally. I don't even know you, and you are still motivating me with your sweet DMs, your sweet comments, and that keeps me so much motivated. Every day I wake up and I see this many subscriber has increased, and that makes me so happy, so overwhelmed, and it's huge. Like it's a really great achievement for me, I think. So keep supporting me, guys. This helps a lot. You don't even know how much this helps, but it really helps a lot. So please keep supporting not only me but other creators too. The second thing I do is I set my goals. Like I have to make these videos in this month, or I have to reach these many subscribers. मतलब मैं अंदर ही अंदर खुद से competition करती हूँ. So this keeps me motivated. When did you got your tattoo? Is there anything behind it? Okay, which tattoo you are talking about? I have total 4 tattoos. Okay, so the first tattoo is this one. This is my very first tattoo. I got this in 2016, and there is no special reason behind it. You can see an infinity sign with the paws and the love. I am a huge animal lover, so I got this tattoo. And the second tattoo, I think I got this one, which is a disaster, I guess. Anyway, यहाँ पे free लिखा हुआ है with a bird. And the third tattoo was this one. It's in Japanese and it means honesty. And the last one is on my back, which I can't really show right now, so I will insert a picture right here. So it's a moonflower which symbolizes blossoming in dark times, which I found really creative and really cute. So I got that one in January this year. So yeah. Most embarrassing moments. There is a lot of embarrassing moments, but I will share one here today. So Teachers Day tha, and the students decided to throw a function kind of a thing to our teacher. Okay, so one of our bhaiya said that you have to sing a song and I will play the synthesizer. I was like, okay. So I used to learn Rovindo Shongi back then. So yeah, I thought it would be so easy, but I love that song so much. But the main problem was I didn't practice that song at all. Like I just practiced it in like I can do it. It's too easy. I can do it. ऐसे करके practice की. Okay. So when the day came and I was about to sing the song, and I was so nervous. As I said, I am a shy person. I am a really shy person, and stage and speaking in front of people makes me so nervous. So I got so nervous and my voice suddenly choked. I don't know what happened to my voice. It just choked. Okay, and I forgot the lyrics of the song, which was so embarrassing. The bhaiya was looking at me like this, like, what happened to you? I was staring at them like this with the mic on my hand. So yeah, that was the most embarrassing moment, and I really can't forget about that even now. Okay, moving on. Dream destination. Maldives is my dream destination. Okay, so the next things are some rapid fire kind of questions. So flats or heels? Flats. I am a flat flat person. Okay, I am not a lover of heels. I do own some heels, but I'm not comfortable wearing them. Indian wear or Western wear. I love wearing both of them. I will choose Indian. Okay. Coffee or tea? Tea, definitely. I don't like coffee at all. I'm a tea lover. Okay. Mostly sane or tinty gada? I think I am pronouncing the word correctly. So I have no idea who is tinty gada. So I love mostly sane. I can't really choose because this will be unfair because I don't even have any idea who tinty gada is. So I am going to skip this question. Day or night? Night. Pasta, pizza? Pizza, definitely. I don't like pasta. Cake or cupcakes? I'm a cupcake person, totally. Sunset or sunrise? Sunset. Sunsets are my favorite time of the day. Winter or summer? Winter. I love winter. Calls or texts? Texts. Any day. I hate talking over phone. Whenever I see someone is calling instead of texting, it freaks me out. I got so irritated. I don't know. I know I'm so weird, but I just don't like calls at all. Beach or mountain? I love mountains too, but I'm a beach person. I love beaches. And the last is sari or salwar? Sari. I love wearing saris. Okay, I love wearing saris. And these were the questions about myself. And if you still have any questions on your mind, so you can always comment down below. I will try to answer them in my comment section. I hope this video was not boring. I hope. Fingers crossed. So give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video was not boring. And subscribe if you haven't already. And follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. So follow me there and see you on my next video. Bye.